Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I'm gonna start a option beginner series where I'm gonna cover everything you need to know about options. So let's get started. So options, primarily there are main two types of options. You can make a lot of strategy, but primarily there are two type of options. So I'm gonna show in Robinhood, right? So basically, if you select expirations, there's basically call and put, right? So call, if you expect the stock price to go up, you buy a call, right? So put option, if you are buying, basically you're telling that you expect the stock price to go down. So I'm gonna cover a lot of the other strategy. You can make a lot of the strategy, iron condor, selling options, all, but I will cover those lot. But just let's get it started. Call and put, right? Call is basically, if you're a buyer, if you expect a stock to go up, you buy a call. If you expect a stock to go down, you buy put. That's it, right? There's a lot of other things: expiration date, delta, theta, gamma. I'm gonna cover all those, but that's it for today. Thank you.